As a man, you may at times struggle with making a girl think about you nonstop. This could be a frustrating experience, especially when you are deeply interested in her. However, with a little effort and creativity, you can achieve this and make her constantly wonder about you. Here are 5 effective ways to make a girl think about you nonstop. 1. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is a crucial factor in making a girl think of you nonstop. This is because women love to be heard, and when they find someone who listens actively, they feel valued and appreciated. So when you are having a conversation with her, pay attention, ask relevant questions, and respond thoughtfully to her answers. This will make her feel engaged and connected to you. 2. Make her laugh. Humor is a great make her laugh way to make someone remember you. A girl is drawn to a man who has a good sense of humor and can make her laugh. This is because laughter releases endorphins, making her feel good and happy in your presence. So lighten the mood with some witty jokes, funny anecdotes, or tease her playfully. Just be sure not to take things too far and offend her. 3. Be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to drawing someone's attention. Girls are usually drawn to confident men who know what they want and aren't afraid to go after it. Be assertive while also being respectful. Show her that you are a man who can take control but also respect her boundaries. This level of respect and confidence will make her think of you as a potential partner. 4. Be thoughtful. Small acts of kindness and thoughtfulness can go a long way in a girl's mind. Remember her favorite color, food, or favorite singer and surprise her with such things from time to time. It does not have to be anything overly elaborate, but small things like a random text message to say hello, a sweet message telling her how you feel, or just a surprise gift can make her think about you all day long. 5. Be enigmatic. Women love a bit of mystery and mystique about their partners, so let her know enough about you to keep her interested, but never reveal everything about yourself. Resist the temptation of revealing everything about your life, story, interest, and opinions on the first date. Instead, focus on learning about her. This will keep her mind curious, and she will want to spend more time with you to learn more about you. In conclusion, making a girl think about you nonstop is about making her feel valued, respected, and appreciated. Once you make her feel these things, she will be drawn to you and want to spend more time with you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.